Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to get access to the admin portal. What you're going to do is you're going to sign in to the admin portal, hrpos.heartland.us, and you're going to go to the menu over here to the left, and you're going to go down here to users. So you should see this here. You may already see one or two other people in here, or if you're the first person that's been added as a user, probably by us, then you would see this until you add someone else under you. So you're going to select create a user, and you're going to enter your information here. And the email address. Please don't email us at this anthembustesting@gmail.com because I will not be monitoring it. Okay, now here you select whether or not it's admin access or not. I'm going to go ahead and click admin access for now. And this has to do with auto logout. So if you walk away from your computer, or if you're using this on an iPad or your phone and close the app away, it'll time out after so long and forcing you to re-log in. And of course you can choose a default language as well. I'm going to hit save, and that's going to show save successful. So now I can close this. So now I can see the user that I just tried to add here. Now, if you notice, it's kind of a beige color, and that's because it's not been active yet. So it's sending an email to this email address here, and I have to go in and activate it. If you don't get the email, if the person doesn't get the email and you need to resend it, when you go back in here, there's now an option to resend activation email. So now we're going to go to our email, and I don't see one in the inbox yet, and you will want to check this, but I do have one in spam, and this is the email here. It went to my spam, so do be cautious of that. If you don't see the email in your inbox, definitely check your spam. Now I'm going to select the email. I'm going to say glad you're here and ask you to activate your account. You click on activate account, and it's going to take you to the admin portal, hrpos.heartland.us, and take you to the activation screen. So now I'm going to put in a password. And you can see the password information here. It must contain at least 8 characters, 1 digit, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and a special character. No white spaces. Need to add a special character to mine. Now I have the activate account lit up to where I can select it. And then once you click on activate account, it gives you activation successful and allows you to log in. So then you go to log in. Once you put in your user information, hit log in. It's going to log you in and take you to the service agreement. So please read the service agreement and then hit I accept. And now you're in. Now if you need to change your password at any point, I'll create a separate video just for that. And we're also going to do a separate video on, instead of doing admin for users, you can actually create certain settings that give restrictions instead of just full out admin access. Because maybe you have managers that you don't want to be able to see certain things or do certain things, or maybe you want your CPA to have access, but you don't want them to do certain things. So you can customize the permission level of users. And I'll do that in a separate video as well. But for now, this is it for creating a user. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.